We wanted to tread lightly on the earth. The house is passive solar, the tasting room is made out of recycled materials. We just really wanted to make a difference. Hi, I'm Murray, the owner of Oranje Tractor. So we're located in Albany, 4 hours south of Perth, the capital of Western Australia. We're a very small, organic and regenerative vineyard and cellar. So we provide a range of tasting experiences and also do a net zero tour. We are carbon negative. Our property absorbs more carbon than the vineyard emits. We have so much produce growing here. We have over 400 fruit trees. You have to fight your way through the orchard before you get to the tasting room. Our experiences are suited for people who really want something a little bit more than the usual food and wine offering. We offer immersive experiences, so you get to talk to the owners. It's fine wine and how to tread lightly on the earth.